Isaac Newton was born in 1642 at Woolsthorpe and attended college at Cambridge University in 1661. He was a mathematician and a physicist. He then left to work on his own in 1665 or 1666. He called those years the prime of my age for invention. During the next 2 to 3 years, he prepared the mathematical principles of natural philosophy, commonly known as the Principia. It was not published until 1687. Newton was elected Member of Parliament for the University of Cambridge to the Convention Parliament of 1689 and sat again in 1701 to 1702. As Newtonian science became accepted in Europe, and even more so after a general peace was restored in 1714, following the War of the Spanish Succession, Newton became the most respected natural philosopher in Europe.
After discovering his theory of the refraction of light, Sir Isaac Newton wrote his book Optics, which was published a little before 1715, but the theory wasn't exactly correct. How Sir Isaac Newton changed the way Europeans looked at the world are by his 3 laws of motion. Newton's first law of motion is showed here with this goldfish box being at rest, and it will remain at rest until Marissa applies a force to it. Now it is no longer at rest. Newton's first law of motion helped the Europeans understand that an object at rest will remain at rest until a force is applied to it, and an object in motion will stay in motion until a force is applied to it. Newton's second law of motion is exemplified by Marissa dropping this 8-pound med ball and pepper. They will land at the same time.
Newton's second law of motion helped people understand that when 2 objects of different masses are dropped from the same height, they will fall down at the same time because of gravity. Law of motion is exemplified by Jana kicking the ball. Because of every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction.
Sir Isaac Newton's third law of motion helped the Europeans understand for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. This is how Sir Isaac Newton impacted the Europeans. Thanks. Bye.